Does anybody know who's first? You first.
Hello. This is live broadcast. The long-awaited helicopter bite. Your host for this afternoon is John Paul. Hello, everyone is getting ready. They've had their brief, their safety brief. Just gonna give you a quick view of what the helicopter looks like. So the idea is the dog will be going in, engaging the decoy in the helicopter, and the helicopter will start up. So you have all your dogs lined up here. This is last activity for the pursuit and defend trial. So let the show begin. Got lift off. Stand up by you, mate. This is the safest spot in the house. So, here we go. Like and share. Let everyone know it's a one-in-a-lifetime experience for dog and handler. Safety precautions, guys. We're going live. Let's go. Bring him in. Good boy. Then we're gonna trying to get him out, but he's not having it. Out is very important, guys. Have everyone standing. Here we are. Mr. Danny Lyons with ammo, getting ready to get it on the go. Are you having your food before the helicopter ride? Good man. Right, guys, we're still waiting for the other dog, but we'll get ready when it's finished. He's back on. Abdin Galia with his new dog. Right, we're gonna swap decoys. Rodney and Rach. Well done, Rodney and Rach, well done. We have our security, we have our safety staff on board, guys. Safety is paramount, health and safety, and we have another safety officer down there. The safety is important. We have the other dog coming right up. Right? Come on, give me some encouragement. Watch the wheel. Yeah, good boy. Get in there, son. Get in there. First once in a lifetime experience for these dogs, ladies and gentlemen. Just give you some encouragement there. Well done.
What's the router?
Yeah, good. Then we're gonna swap decoys and get another decoy in. Even the decoys are getting onto the fun. And then we have a young pup, 5 months old. 5 months is pup. First life experience for him. Tyler and his young pup. Good lad, good boy. And we have a Douglas. Good boy. Good lad. Safety. You need to tell this guy to the government. That woman needs to be telling these people. She needs to do something. Tell the guys to come this way. Next dog coming right up. Good boy. Yes, Tyler and his puppy did very well, guys. Next up, next up. Next dog coming right up. Once in a lifetime experience, guys. Only in the UK. Next dog coming up. Good. Good. We have all the dogs line up.
Get in trouble. There's some weight in these dogs, aren't they? Very bloody.
They're very heavy dogs, them. Good. So far, all the dogs seems to be coping with this activity. All the dogs seems to be coping well. Right, we have Sate with his young Mali. Good boy. Good boy. You gonna? And you have yours, Julie Moose, getting ready with his young dog. Good. Just had Danny with his dog Ammo. Getting in there, son. Get in there. Once in a lifetime experience, guys, for these dogs. These dogs have never seen this before. Never seen this before. Next decoy coming right up. We have Andrea with a young dog. Good boy. Good. Get in there, son. Get in there. Good boy. Good boy. Good experience for young dogs. Next up we have Dean. Dean with his new dog. Well done. Good boy. Stefan and Yuko is next. You have Stefan and Yuko going up next. Good boy. Good engaging there. Good engaging there, guys. Good. Sorry about the interruption, guys. Sorry about the interruption. As you can see, we're in the countryside, so we're back online. Are you there? I'll just recording for the dogs for a bit. 2 seconds, I'll call you back. Good. We have a nice snake bite here. Good lad. Next up, we have a young gentleman here with his German Shepherd type dog. Yep, next one. Get in there, son. Good boy. Well done, guys. We have safety officers all around the helicopter. Safety is important. We have a nice young dog coming right up for his experience. Good lad. Next one, step right up, step right up. Who wants the experience? Good lad. Next one coming right up. Come on, good. So far all the dogs have engaged, guys, which is wonderful to see. Says a lot about the character of these dogs. There's another young Mali coming up. Good. We have Moose and his young dog Demon going in. Demon, go Demon. Good lad, Demon. Good boy. Good boy, Demon. Good lad. Good boy. Good boy. Good experience for you, young man. Good boy. Good lad. Good boy. Very happy there, mate. Very happy. Good boy. Yeah. Any more for any more?
Any more?
I think that concludes it. That concludes it, guys.
Any more?
Go again. Go again.
One more.
What about that guy over there? Any more for the one in a lifetime experience, like a roller coaster for dogs, really? Anyone for anyone? Any more? I'm not sure if he's going. I think that concludes it, guys.
Did it?
Yeah, still recording live.
Thank you. Guys, I think that's about it. Yeah, demon one in the row.
Let's go.